Hey guys, it's Mo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Filipino Lumpia.
So this is how you make lumpia.
These are the ingredients that you will need. First things first, spring roll paper. Any brand will do, and some may even require you to separate each sheet one at a time, like so. Next, you will need any type of ground meat. I chose turkey and I will be using half of the packet. For this recipe, I will be using mixed veggies as well as water chestnuts, about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, and about less than half of a red onion. Make sure that you chop and mince the last 3 ingredients like so. You'll also need a pan, a chopping board and knife, olive oil, and non-stick spray. Once all of the ingredients are prepped, you are ready to begin cooking. Turn on the stove light and exhaust fan when you start cooking rather than waiting for there to be smoke. Also, open any nearby windows to allow any smoke to escape from the kitchen area. Now, let's get right into the cooking. Pour about 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the pan. I usually like to spread it all around the pan like this. Then turn on the stovetop to medium heat and add in your minced garlic. Stir it around until it begins to caramelize and sizzle. Now add the red onions and stir it around for a minute or two, giving it time to brown. Then add the ground turkey and break up any large clumps. As an optional step, you can add in any fish sauce, soy sauce, or salt to add a little bit of flavor to the mix. Be sure to stir it around really well, then cover the meat and let it sit for about 20 minutes. When the meat is fully cooked, it should look dark brown like this. Go ahead and throw in the mixed veggies and the water chestnut and stir it all together. Once it's mixed all together, cover the pan once more for 10 more minutes. After the 10 minutes has gone by, give it one last good stir and your lumpia mix is ready. Make sure you turn off the stovetop and then remove the pan. Now let's roll the lumpia. I like my lumpia heavily stuffed, but you can put however much mix you'd like onto the wrapping paper. Make sure that you gather the mix into the center like so. And then you're going to wet the edges and corners to make it extra soft so that it's easier to stick. Now you're going to fold the paper like so, pressing down and rolling tightly, ensuring that the mix is kept snug, rolled up in the paper. To finish it off, press the last corner fold down, and that's it. Now we're almost finished. All we have to do left is fry the lumpia. So turn the stove back on to medium heat and fill the pan with olive oil. Pour enough oil so that about half of each roll is covered in oil. To know when the oil is hot enough, sprinkle a little bit of water into the oil. If the oil bubbles, like so, it's ready. Carefully place each roll into the pan and let it sit for about 7 minutes on each side, or until it turns this caramel color. Then flip them over and let them sit until fully brown on both sides. Each roll is different, so make sure you keep an eye on them and check the color frequently. Once golden brown, you can remove the rolls from the pan onto a new plate. Make sure that you shake out any excess oil. On the side, you can top it off with some sweet and sour sauce, and there you have it, homemade Filipino Lumpia. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you try out this new recipe. Enjoy!